At first glance you'd think that the original George Barris 1959 Custom Chevy has been found and completely restored. Your thinking would be close. It's actually a clone of the Norman Wesp Barris Kustom created back in the early 1960s. Norman Wesp originally took his 1959 Chevy Impala to the Barris shop to have them create a wonderful mild Chevy Kustom. Byron Bode, who owned the car in 1963 and 1964, found a decent 1959 Chevy and used it as the base for the clone. The body was fine-tuned and customized similar to the way the Barris shop did many years ago. The Barris team reshaped the front of the car. They filled in the hood air scoops, extended the hood ends, and rounded the corners. A 1954 Chevy grille with 21 teeth was installed. They also installed custom bumpers, Corvette parking lights, and a rolled front pan. Byron says he had a lot of fun with this car in high school. It was a 348 with 335 horsepower and a 4-speed with 3.70 POS traction. The new engine is a stroke 348 with a 5-speed. The chassis is upgraded with modern geometry, power steering, air ride, and power disc brakes. The interior of the car is mainly stock with a few mild custom additions. Tuck and roll highlights the original blue interior. Luxury and comfort features include factory air conditioning, power windows, power locks, power vents, power seat, tilt steering column, a shrunken steering wheel, and decoded digital analog gauges. Byron painted the car candy red just like George Barris. At the back, the taillight housings were reshaped and filled with 1957 DeSoto station wagon tail light lenses. Quarter mufflers are attached to 2.5-inch stainless steel exhausts that exit through quad stainless pencil-tip tailpipes. Featured in Car Craft magazine in March of 1960, and named one of the top 59 customs of the year, this George Barris Tribute 1959 Chevy is still turning heads today.